Alright guys, so today you'll be working on the question Cuantos hay? This question in Spanish means how much or how many are there? In these examples, we have three that give us three different scenarios of how we can use this question. The first question, Cuantos hay, just simply means how many are there? If we want to ask specifically about a certain object, we could make it Cuantos libros hay or Cuantos libros rojos hay. All of these questions give us different scenarios that show us how to use this question. To answer this question, we start with the word I. It's not pronounced hey, it's I, and the H is silent. So to say there are three books, I would say hay tres libros. Or in the bottom example, I could specify which books I'm talking about by saying hay cuatro libros rojos y cuatro libros azules. To use this question, let's see if we can do some practice. If you read the question to the left, it asks, ¿Cuántos pupitres hay? Pause the video if you need more time. Respond to your questions by using the word I and how many objects then follow. Do your answers look like this? Check your work before moving on to your classwork. When we ask cuántos hay, we need to make sure that the word cuántos agrees with the object that follows it. It can be cuántos or cuántas. So in the example here, cuántos libros hay? I can tell that this is a masculine plural, libros, and therefore I use the OS version. In this example, cuántas plumas hay? I want to make sure that plumas is feminine, and I use the feminine version of this word. Let's try to form some questions. Pause the video if you need more time. Ask how many there are of each of these objects. Do your answers look like these? Make sure you check your work before you move on to your classwork. Now that we are finished, you may go to slide 1 and complete your classwork. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on Remind or to send me an email.